In primetime news this evening, government gives April timeline for completion of first set of roads being rehabilitated under the Spark program. Drought mitigation measures now in effect. And we'll explore the hidden struggles of a high-tech world in our ongoing series, Reality Hacked, Voices from Nowhere.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella Restaurants Associates Limited has announced expansion plans for St. Catherine and the region. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thanks, Jizzy. And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, we've talked a lot about the lights at Savannah Park and the venue being unfit to host international cricket matches. That things are looking bright for the JCA as they could be getting the funding required for an upgrade. We'll tell you all about that and much more in Primetime Sports.
It took them long enough, but okay. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, Shalana. We're having a similar pattern across the area over the next couple of days. We do still have those morning showers affecting sections of the northeast, with some isolated afternoon showers across inland areas and strong winds across northern sections of the island.
Can you not say affecting? We love
Yeah. That's not a problem. More on the weather later on in the broadcast. We also have E-Prime as well as sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what kind of fake content have you encountered on social media?
So much. Saw the DPP dancing yesterday. We'll see more in Renato's Romano's story later on. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.